For years, if you heard the word Colombia, you probably thought of just one thing. But I'm here to tell you that story is old. It's finished. It's done. Today, Colombia is a country of vibrant colors, incredible nature, the warmest people you will ever meet. It's a place that has reinvented itself, turning its painful past into a powerful, inspiring present. I spent weeks exploring this amazing country, and what I found completely blew my mind. From the city to the sea, from the jungle to the mountains, every single corner has a story, an adventure, and a surprise waiting for you. So for the next 5 minutes, I want to take you on a journey. I'm going to show you 15 of the most epic, unbelievable spots in Colombia. Our journey begins on the Caribbean coast, in the incredible city of Cartagena. Walking through the old town feels like stepping into a dream. Every street is a postcard, colorful colonial buildings, bougainvillea flowers on balconies. Then, as the sun begins to set, you have to walk along the ancient city walls. The sky turns orange and purple, the sea breeze is warm, and you can hear the faint sound of salsa music starting to fill the air. But the magic doesn't stop at the city walls. Just a short boat ride away are the Rosario Islands, a paradise of crystal-clear turquoise water and white sand beaches. This is where you trade the city's energy for pure relaxation. You can find a quiet spot on a secluded beach, sip on a fresh coconut, and just let the world melt away. We went island hopping, jumping off the boat into the warm Caribbean Sea to snorkel among colorful fish and coral reefs. Cartagena and its islands show you the soul of Colombia's coast, a perfect blend of vibrant culture and breathtaking natural beauty. From the coast, we fly inland to a city that is a symbol of hope, Medellín. Once known as one of the most dangerous places on earth, it is now one of the most innovative and inspiring cities in the world. The transformation is unbelievable. The first thing you have to do is ride the metro cable. It's not just public transport. It's a lifeline that connects the hillside communities to the city center. Nowhere is this transformation more visible than in Comuna 13. This neighborhood, once a center of conflict, has been reborn through art. Next, we travel to the heart of Colombia's Coffee Triangle, a region of lush, misty green mountains. Here you'll find the charming town of Salento. But the real reason you come here is for what lies just beyond the town, the Cocora Valley. When you first see it, you feel like you've entered another world. They stand like gentle giants, stretching up to 60 meters high, piercing through the clouds that roll down the mountainsides. After the hike, you must visit a local coffee farm, tasting a cup of coffee that was grown, harvested, and brewed right in front of you, while looking out at the green mountains. That is an experience you will never, ever forget. Now let's head back to the Caribbean coast, but this time to a place where wild, untamed nature reigns supreme. This is Tayrona National Park. You hike through a dense, humid jungle, with monkeys chattering in the trees above. Giant blue butterflies flutter past you, and then, through an opening in the trees, you see it. The most stunning coastline imaginable. Huge, ancient boulders are scattered across golden sand beaches. For the full experience, stay overnight, sleeping in a hammock under the stars. Waking up to the sound of the jungle and the sea, with no one else around, is a moment of pure peace. Our next stop is Colombia's massive, high-altitude capital, Bogotá. This city is a fascinating mix of old 400-year-old history and modern big city buzz. We started in La Candelaria, the historic heart of the city. But to truly understand Bogotá, you have to see it from above. We took a cable car at sunrise up to the top of Monserrate. Then, back down in the city, we visited the Gold Museum. It holds tens of thousands of gold artifacts from before the Spanish arrived. Seeing the intricate craftsmanship gives you a new respect for Colombia's ancient cultures. The liquid rainbow, Caño Cristales. Prepare to see something that looks like it's from another planet. For a few months every year, a remote river in Colombia's Serranía de la Macarena National Park transforms into a liquid rainbow. It's not an illusion, and it's not pollution. It's caused by a unique aquatic plant that blooms in brilliant shades of red, yellow, green, blue, and black. Walking alongside this river is one of the most surreal and beautiful experiences of my life. This is a fragile ecosystem, so tourism is carefully managed to protect the river. the Sea of Seven Colors, San Andres, and Providencia. Let's leave the mainland and fly to a corner of Colombia that feels more Caribbean than South American. The moment you fly in, you'll understand why they call the water here the Sea of Seven Colors. From the air, deep navy, bright turquoise, crystal clear aquamarine. For a truly special experience, you take a short flight to its smaller, quieter sister island, Providencia. We rented a golf cart and explored the island's empty beaches and stunning viewpoints. The real treasure, however, is underwater. The islands are home to the third largest barrier reef in the world. Snorkeling or diving here is like entering another dimension. The lungs of the planet, the Amazon. For our final adventure, we go to the most remote and wild place of all, the Colombian Amazon. Our entry point is the town of Leticia. We took a boat up the mighty Amazon River. At dawn, you get on a small wooden boat and glide onto the water as the jungle wakes up around you. The sounds are incredible. Birds, insects, monkeys. Amazing wildlife fills this place. The star of the show, the legendary pink river dolphin. Seeing these gentle, mystical creatures surface next to your boat is an unforgettable moment. Jungle walks with local indigenous guides teaching about medicinal plants and forest secrets. Sloths moving slowly in the trees, fishing for piranhas. Do this respectfully with community-led tours that prioritize animals and environment. Being in the Amazon is a humbling experience that reminds you of the power and importance of nature. A country reborn. So that's it. From the Rainbow River to the giant palms, from the reborn city to the magical coast. This is Colombia. It is a country that surprised me at every turn. It's a country that is so much more than its past. The warmth and resilience of the Colombian people is the true treasure of this nation. They have faced the unimaginable, and they have chosen to build a future filled with hope, art, and joy. This is not just a destination to check off a list. This is a place that gets into your soul and teaches you about resilience, about the power of nature to heal, and about the beauty of the human spirit. I came here to see incredible landscapes, and I did. But I left with something more. A deep connection to a country that is writing a new, beautiful story for itself. A story of peace and progress. A story the whole world needs to see. So forget what you thought you knew. Come and see for yourself. Come and feel the energy, taste the coffee, dance to the music, and meet the people. Discover the real Colombia. Because this country is not just back on the map, it's one of the most amazing places on Earth.